Good afternoon, students. Jai Sanskar. Now we reach the 8th point of our lesson number 10. And in 8th point, we are going to discuss about the type of the motion. That what kind of motions are there. Rectilinear motion, circular motion and periodic motion. We are going to discuss this in a detail but with a very interesting manner. So let's read and understand this. You may have observed the motion of the vehicle on a straight road, march past of a soldier in a parade, or the falling of a stone. What kind of motion is this? You have already seen that how the vehicles run on the road, how the soldier parade on that parade day, and how the stone falling down. What kind of motion is this? તમે કયો મોશન કહેશો? જસ્ટ થિંક ઓવર ઇટ, વી વિલ ગેટ ધ આન્સર. સ્પ્રિન્ટર ઇન ધ 100 મીટર રેસ, 100 મીટરની દોડમાં જે ઓલા પટ્ટા દોરેલા હોય કે જે ટ્રેક કહેવાય છે, 100 મીટર રેસ ઓલ્સો મૂવ અલોંગ ધ સ્ટ્રેટ ટ્રેક. Can you think more such an example from your surrounding? In all this example, we see that the objects move along the straight line. તમે જોશો કે આ બધી વસ્તુ સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇનમાં જ મૂવ કરે છે. As we have taken the example of the vehicle on the straight road, then march past of soldier in a parade day, or the stone is falling, all this into the straight line. This type of motion is called the rectilinear motion. આ ટાઈપના મોશનને rectilinear motion કહે છે. We'll understand this by giving examples and performing an activity. Activity 7. Take a stone, tie a thread to it and whirl it with your hand. Observe the motion of the stone. We see that the stone moves along the circular path. This is very easy. એક કામ કરો, એક સ્ટોન લ્યો જેને તમે દોરીથી બાંધો. નાવ હોલ્ડ ઇટ લાઈક ધીસ એન્ડ વ્રીલ ઇટ. વ્રીલ ઇટ મીન્સ એને ઘુમાવો. એઝ યુ જસ્ટ મેક ઇટ લાઈક ધીસ, વોટ હેપન્સ? ઇટ જસ્ટ મૂવ્સ ઇન અ સર્ક્યુલર પાથ. સો ધીસ વન ઇઝ કોલ્ડ સર્ક્યુલર મોશન. In this motion, the distance of a stone from your hand remains the same. This type of motion is called circular motion. ગમે એટલી વખત ઘુમાવો, but the distance between the stone and the hand remains the same all the time. The motion of a point marked on the blade of the electric fan or the hand of a clock are the example of circular motion. If we take the example of circular motion, you can say that the blade of a fan and the hand of a clock performed the task that is called circular motion. The electric fan or a clock by themselves are not moving from one place to another, but the blade of the fan rotate and do so the hands of the clock. See, this all are rotate in a particular motion and that is called circular motion. If we mark a point anywhere on the blade of a fan or the hand of a clock, the distance of this point from the center of the fan or the clock will remain the same as they rotate. And similar happens to the blade of the fan. Blade ને તમે જ્યાંથી જોઈ રહ્યા છે એ સેન્ટરથી બ્લેડ રોટેટ થાય ત્યારે બી બે વચ્ચેનો જે ડિસ્ટન્સ છે એટલે કે ફેનના બ્લેડનો which remains the same. In some cases an object repeats its motion after some time. This type of motion is called periodic motion. Take the stone tied with the string that you used in activity 6. Now hold the string in your hand and let the stone hang from it. Pull the stone to one side with the other hand and let it go. See, we are going to again perform an activity. We are again going to tie a stone and we are going to hold it like this and we are just moving like this. And આપણે આમ મૂવ કરાવશું દોરીથી. What happens? That will help us to understand about the periodic motion. I just have forgot to read this. Pull the stone to one side with the other hand and let it go. As I told you, just pull it like this and just both the side, one side and another side, and let it go. આ રીતે કર્યા રાખો. This is the pendulum. આ જે છે એને pendulum કહેવાય. Pendulum also work like this. It will moves like this. Something to have a lot of fun with and something that will help us to understand about the periodic motion. આવું કરવાથી મજા બી આવશે થોડી થોડી અને થોડું થોડું તમને periodic motion સમજાઈ બી જશે. Then motion of a pendulum, a branch of a tree moving to and fro, motion of a child on a swing, string of a guitar, of a surface of a drum being played are example of the periodic motion. આ બધા એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ છે પીરિયોડિક મોશનના. આ બધી વસ્તુ જે મૂવમેન્ટ થાય છે, ધીસ ઓલ મૂવમેન્ટ ઇઝ અ પીરિયોડિક મોશન. એન ઓબ્જેક્ટ ઓર અ પાર્ટ ઓફ ઇટ્સ રિપીટ્સ ઇટ્સ મોશન આફ્ટર અ ફિક્સ ઇન્ટરવલ ઓફ ટાઈમ, બટ ઇટ ઓલ્સો પરફોર્મ આફ્ટર અ ફિક્સ ઇન્ટરવલ ઓફ ટાઈમ. થોડાક ટાઈમ પછી જ એ અને ફિક્સ ટાઈમે એ મૂવમેન્ટ થાય છે. સો યુ કેન મેઝર ઇટ્સ મૂવમેન્ટ. ડીડ યુ ઓબ્ઝર્વ અ સ્વિંગ મશીન? હવે તમે થોડું ઇમેજિન કરો સ્વિંગ મશીન, સિલાઈનું મશીન. એઝ અ પાર્ટ ઓફ એક્ટિવિટી 5, યુ મસ્ટ હેવ ઓબ્ઝર્વ દેટ it remains at the same location while it will moves with the circular motion. See, all the example of the motion is in sewing machine. What is sewing machine? સિલાઈનું મશીન. એમાં બધા એક્ઝામ્પલ આવી જશે. The circular wheel shows the circular motion. It also has a needle that move up and down continuously. It has a needle which moves up and down continuously as long as the wheel rotates. જ્યાં સુધી wheel ચાલે ત્યાં સુધી, isn't it? Yes. This needle is undergoes periodic motion. એક સર્કલ પૂરું થાય એટલે અપ જવું પછી ડાઉન આવવું. It is also a periodic concept. Have you observed closely the motion of a ball on the ground? Here, the ball is rolling on the ground, rotating as well as moving forward on the ground. Thus, the ball undergoes a rectilinear motion as well as rotational motion. જે બોલ છે એ ઉપરથી નીચે જાય છે, નીચેથી ઉપર જાય છે ગ્રાઉન્ડમાં. It also perform a rectilinear or a rotational motion. Can you think of other examples where object undergoes combination of a different type of motion? Of course, you can now think that which things that is available in your house which perform all the three motions like rectilinear, circular and periodic. You did many measurement activity and discussed some kind of motion. We show that the motion is changed in the position of the object with the time. સી આપણે આ આખા ચેપ્ટરમાં ઘણી બધી એક્ટિવિટીઝ પરફોર્મ કરી, મેઝરમેન્ટ કેવી રીતે લેવાય એના વિશે જાણ્યું, અને એની સાથે સાથે અલોંગ વિથ દેટ વી ઓલ્સો ગેટ ધ આઈડિયા અબાઉટ ધ મોશન. આપણે મોશનનો બી થોડો આઈડિયા લીધો. એન્ડ વી ઓલ્સો ગેટ ટુ નો દેટ ધ મોશન ચેન્જ એઝ પર ધ ટાઈમ. ધ ચેન્જ in this position can be determined through the distance measurement, and it also the change in the position that can be determined with the help of a measurement. એ બી મેઝરમેન્ટથી તમે માપી શકો. For example, pendulum moves like this. So when it moves from point A to point B, it takes 1 minute. So 1 minute it is measurement. And 1 minute is time. And what is the measurement? So from here to here it took 0.05, so 0.05 millimeter is its measurement. It is like that. This allows us to know how the fast or slow motion is. સપોઝ કે કોઈ પેન્ડ્યુલમ છે એ ફાસ્ટ મૂવ કરતો હોય, કોઈ સ્લો મૂવ કરતો હોય, તો મેઝરમેન્ટથી અને ટાઈમને બેને કમ્પેર કરીને you can get the idea that which moves fast and which moves slow. The movement of a snail on the ground, a butterfly flitting from flower to flower, a river flowing along on the clear rounded pebbles, an aeroplane flying high up in the air making a jet trails, moon going around the earth, blood flowing inside our bodies. There is a motion everywhere around us. આ બધા examples છે about the motion. So what do you learn from this? You learn from this about the three motion: rectilinear, circular and periodic. And here the 10.8 as well as the whole chapter is over.